Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel RS Computer Solutions. In today's video, I'll show you how to configure Ceph OSD storage with SSD cache in a 3-node Proxmox cluster step by step. If you want high availability plus high performance storage, this setup is exactly what you need. Follow on screen instruction for configuration Ceph OSD with SSD cache in a 3-node Proxmox cluster. Create OSD with SSD cache, node-wise. Click Create OSD, select Disk. Select DB disk for cache. Use NVMe instead of SATA SSD if possible. Now click Create. Create OSD. Repeat for all disks. Now move to node 2 and repeat exactly the same steps. Again, go to node 3 and repeat. Open Ceph OSD panel. Verify disks. Create OSD. Ceph OSD, Object Storage Daemon, is the core component of Ceph storage responsible for storing actual data, replicating it across multiple nodes, and ensuring data recovery in case of disk or node failure. Each physical disk in a Ceph cluster typically runs one OSD, making it the fundamental storage unit. The main benefits of OSD include high performance through parallel data processing, strong data protection via replication, easy scalability by adding more disks, and a self-healing mechanism that automatically rebuilds lost data. Additionally, OSD enables distributed storage across multiple nodes, balances workload efficiently, and supports hybrid setups using HDD for storage and SSD, NVMe for cache, DB WAL, providing an optimal balance between cost and performance. That's it. Now you have a fully working 3-node Ceph cluster with SSD cache in Proxmox. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment your next topic.